Alright, in this video I am going to show you how to use Aimersoft DVD Ripper software to rip DVDs. If you happen to get games from opponents or your own games on DVD and you want to rip those so that you can use them inside of the QuikScout software, I'm going to show you how to use Aimersoft DVD Ripper to do that. There'll be a link on our website at QuikScout.com for more information about this Aimersoft program and where you can purchase it. I think it's $36. You can go ahead and purchase it. And it's a real easy program. It's very fast. So the first thing you do is put your DVD in your drive, and I will go ahead and do that right now. And a lot of you will notice that when you pop your DVD into your drive, your computer is going to want to automatically start playing it. That's just how they're set up. Once it starts playing, you can just hit the escape button and it will stop playing it, and I'll show you that here in a second. You can see my computer just took over and now it wants to start playing the DVD. So I'll go ahead and hit the escape button and I'll close Windows Media Player because that's what wanted to start it. In order to load the Aimersoft, I'll go to my Start button and click the Aimersoft DVD Ripper. And first thing I'm going to do now is click the Load DVD. And all I'm going to do here is click right on the drive itself. I'm not going to click any of the stuff inside of it. I'm just going to click whatever my DVD drive letter is. I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to choose Common Mode, which is what you're going to choose most of the time. If you run into some trouble, you might want to choose the Special Mode. But in this case, I'm just going to use the Common Mode. I'm going to hit OK. And then what it's going to do is it's going to add those files to the program here. Now, most of the time, you're just going to rip whatever you have in there, but in this case I have 4 different games in there, and if I want, I only want to choose the first one. Maybe I know what it is. That's the one I want to choose, so I'll go ahead and click it. Down at the bottom here, I'm going to make sure that my profile is set on WMV. There's a lot of different profiles in here, but I'm going to go ahead and choose WMV. Under settings, you don't have to play around with this if you don't want to. Really, all you can do in here, I would mess around with is the bit rate. 2,500 kilobytes per second is the default. If you notice the quality isn't what you're looking for, you can always raise it. But as you raise it, you are increasing the file size. So just want to let you know that. So I would just stay at 2,500, see if you like it, and then kind of adjust from there. Go ahead and hit OK. The other thing that you're going to do is you're going to browse where you want to save this, and in this case, it's saved on my desktop, but if I wanted to, I can go ahead and click Browse. I could save it maybe in the Downloads folder if I wanted to, just by clicking it. Now you'll see it says Downloads. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and save it right on my desktop. And so we're done, and we're just going to hit Start. And when you do that now, it's going to just start going through and converting the video. Depending on your computer, it's actually pretty quick. We're going to go ahead and let this go through. And I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward a little bit to when it gets done. Alright, you can see when it's done now. A little box comes up that tells you that the conversion is done. I'll go ahead and hit OK. And I'm going to go ahead and close the Aimersoft. And this video right here is our video. Now if I want to change the name of it, I can go ahead and click on it. Or I can right-click on it and hit rename, and I can just type, us versus them, give it a name, and you can see now if I play it, this is the video that we just went ahead and converted. Now it's ready to be used inside the QuikScout software.